Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. These are the modules I set up for the 12-volt system, and you guys can see it's only one panel is directly to the sun, and these are 6 modules here, 170 watts each, and monocrystalline solar panel, HQST, and higher voltage. I think it's approximately 35 or 36 or 39 volts, something like that, but I'll put the specs on the description below. So let's check inside, and we're running the TV with a small inverter, 400 watt inverter, so just burning power. So keep those little batteries, the UPS, APS battery, just being charged, and let's go and check it out and see the power bringing in. As you guys can see, and it's on load right now, the TV is running, and maybe, I don't know if this video is gonna be flagged, but I'll pause the video. We're on Netflix, and so that you can see. This is the screen on 70 inches television, and this is the inverter, 400 watt DURACELL high power inverter that is running the 70 inches ultra high definition television, which is LG television, 170 inches LG ultra high definition television. Heavy clouds right now as I speak, and the sun is behind, and this is how the weather looks like. So it was raining this morning, and these are the clouds. So I just want to show you, and let's check back the power, what these panels can do. This is the 70 inches television running. With those clouds right now, you guys can see we just generated 100 watts, 0.1 watt hours. So now look at that. Before I point the camera, we were bringing 100 watts into the system, and the television is hooked up to it, and I paused it because I don't want to be into any trouble, and this is what it is. So we're enjoying free TV from a 12 volt 400 watts DURACELL power inverter that is powering the television right now, 70 inches ultra high definition, right here at the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. This is how you enjoy free electricity. Well, the batteries are inside this box. Now I'm not running right now the Magnum because I just want to put that little guy to work, and this is what it is, and this is how everything is powering at this point. And earlier we went into bulk and float, absorb and float. So I hook up the TV just to use the batteries, and that's what we're pulling right now. So I don't know how efficient is this guy here, but he's doing a fine job. 400 watts on a 70 inches television. Though nowadays things don't take too much power, but this is what it is. And with all the 4K TV, and we are still doing well. Like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. Just think I should share with you guys how the progress is. The batteries are into this box. You guys have seen them. If you haven't seen them, go back and look at my system on a portable generator on my playlist, and you will see exactly what is going on. I'm doing an experimental thing in this area. I just want to show you. It's not going to be in detail, that's why it's kind of a little bit fuzzy. And this Magnum is not connected, and this is the one we're running right now. You see the TV wire right there to run the DURACELL, and this is the power we are making right now on a cloudy day, and the air conditioner is running in the background. It's not running on this system, but it's running on the other system. right now. Like and subscribe.
70 inches LG ultra high